All right, welcome back to Fast Money. This weekend, President Trump upping his threats to send the National Guard into San Francisco. This despite Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff publicly walking back some comments he made in support of that move last week. Kate Rogers here now with more. Kate.
Hi, Brian. So Benioff reversing his stance after Laurene Powell Jobs penned an op-ed against his comments, and longtime tech investor Ron Conway resigned from the Salesforce Foundation board. And all of this comes at a time when, by many measures, the city is really in the midst of a comeback, much of which is being boosted by AI investments. Exclusive data from CBRE shows VC investing set to surpass its 2021 high of $276 billion this year. Now, the bulk of that investment has been in San Francisco and Silicon Valley, where 80% of AI venture funding has gone so far this year, totaling $115 billion. And that, of course, has led to a boom in real estate. Tech companies increasing their share of leasing activity by square footage to 53% in 2025. That's the highest rate since 2019. Apartment rental prices surging as well, up 6%. Some other key factors here: crime down 30% since last year. Homicides are at 70-year lows. Car break-ins are at 22-year lows. Now, there's still much room for improvement on things like homelessness, of course, the fentanyl crisis, but you can't deny a real shift on the ground here so far. Back over to you, Brian.
Well, I'll be there in just over a week's time, so I look forward to seeing it for myself.
See for yourself.
Kate Rogers. Yeah, I'll see. I walked around the city 2 years ago, 10 hours. And it was grim. Dan, I think you're going there tomorrow.
I'm going to see Kate tomorrow.
Fantastic.
Listen, I think all the stats that she just gave, I mean, they're commensurate with all the boom that we're seeing. You know, folks have come back. This is an innovation hub once again. I know a lot of folks left, went to Austin or wherever the heck they went. So you're seeing a better place. You're seeing a place that's probably going to be a lot better in 3-5 years from now. I'll just say this. If a CEO like Mark Benioff, who doesn't even live in the town anymore, he thinks that that's going to be a hub of innovation because we have federalized troops on the ground, I just can't imagine that's the sort of leadership a town like San Francisco needs. So at the end of the day, maybe he wants to say, what do they say over there in Hawaii?
Mahalo.
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 That too. You know,
Apologies.
Mahalo.
I've been there one time. I grew up in California. We didn't go to Hawaii. We were in Hawaii.
Aloha, Mr. Hand.
Tim lived in Hawaii.
Okay.
He attended bar.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Mike Coe, who actually lives out there. By the way, come on Power Lunch, live from the San Francisco Bureau in like a week and a half, Mike.
I'll stop by. And actually, you know, that's one of the things I will point out is that, you know, for those of us that live very close to downtown San Francisco, there has been meaningful improvement of late. Kate was just talking about the rental prices. We just had apartments in San Francisco essentially reach, I think they actually broached their pre-pandemic highs. So there's definitely a turnaround. I mean, you can see it in the prices, you can see it in the statistics, but you can feel it with boots on the ground as well.
Yeah, one would hope. It's a great American city. It's a great global city, and it's a place that just one of the most beautiful places in America.